a big opportunity for us to really just create a name nationally. We have about 2 hours to go and then straight to try and make a beautiful show.
There are 3 musts. Must. Not a question, we're going to try or anything like that. These are things we're going to do. We must prevent the 5-second layup. How do you do that? You run, you sprint, you don't jog. You see the ball, you get back and you talk to each other. Second, we must out-rebound these guys. We've got some big fellas in here and you need to play big tonight. And the third thing, we must keep them off the foul line. Let's go.
We're running through a wall right now for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? So let's go out and do what we gotta do, man.
It's the opportunity right here. Take advantage of the opportunity, man.
40 minutes.
Right here.
Okay, we're on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I just gotta bring it to their attention, baby. That's. You better watch who you're talking about. Running your mouth like you know me. You gon' fuck around and chill out and show me. Get caught and show me. Why one-on-one you can't hold me? If your last name was Hayne, only way you can wear me out is stitch my name on your pants. No resident of France, but you swear I'm from Paris. 106 carats. Total, no, that's Paris. Trying to compare this. My chain to your chain. I might sprint a Motorola, no service out of your range. You're out of your brains, thinking I'ma shout out your name. You gotta come up with better ways and actions to get your vein. All that pressure you applying, it's time to ease off. Before I hit you from the blind side, taking your sleeves off. As much as we's lost, still hard to please boss. Don't be lying, bitching and crying, suck it up as a loss. Cause your act is right, your whole label is right. Matter of fact, hold that. I am number 1. No matter if you like it or take it, sit down and write it. I am number 1. Now let me ask you, man, what does it take to be number 1? 2 is not a winner, and 3 nobody remembers. What does it take to be number 1?
Do you like it when I shake it for you, daddy? Move it all around. Let you get a peek before it touches the ground.
Hell yeah, mom, love a girl that's willing to learn, willing to get in the driver's seat and willing to turn, and not concerned about that he say, she say, did he say what I think he said? Squash that, he probably got that off eBay or some internet access, something.
Larkin, down to 7 seconds. Larkin dribbling right, bottled up, face-up shot, misses the tip-in by Johnson. 0.8 remaining. Purvis fires and it nearly went.
Oh Lordy, will I continue to act naughty? Mix it Chris and Bacardi, got me thinking for sure. I'm not a man of many words, but it's one thing I know. Pimp, I am number 1.
Missed a second. Clemson will have a chance to win it.
Something going towards the rim. You gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
Rod Hall in the paint. Floater. Follow. No! And third-ranked Miami survives at Clemson 45-43.
To be number 1.
That was a very, very hard game to play. I could see it. It was unbelievable. It was a very hard game to coach. And it was a very hard game to win. And you guys somehow did it. I mean, it was unbelievable.
Here's Akil Mitchell. Got it blocked, stuck with it, blocked again! Again! A third time!
They look at the double team, they try to switch out on everything.
The look inside to Johnson with 5.7. And it's stolen away! Durant Scott steals it with 4 seconds to go. And Miami has won 14 in a row. The second-ranked Hurricanes once again fight through a low-scoring, hard-fought ACC victory.
2 is not a winner, and 3 nobody remembers. What does it take to be number 1? I am number 1. I am number 1. What does it take to be number 1? 2 is not a winner, and 3 nobody remembers. What does it take to be number 1?
fun of him. What's he done? He's done a little dance. Oh.
The celebration begins here in Coral Gables. The Miami Hurricanes not only beat #1, they destroy #1 as they take out to 90-63 here tonight.